welcome back to another video, and today we are with Mabel and we are carrying back this massive little calf for our puppies. Look at that size difference. Achilles. No, we're gonna go sleep now. So I think we might finish them in this video. I don't know. I really hope Achilles doesn't die. Oh, please don't die, Achilles. My little brave boy. Oh, he's curled up. That's so cute. Oh, Achilles. No, no, no. Whoa. Oh, I thought that was the other one. I was like, whoa. Oh. Oh, he's 30%. Oh my gosh. He's 30%. Oh no. Come on, Achilles. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, thank gosh. Thank gosh. Oh, we are literally just waiting on Rocket now. 9.4, so I think I'm going to sleep until they finish. This is going to be a very, very short video, actually. Actually, you know what? I might combine the pups and choosing the pups with this one because it's so short. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. No. Rex. No, no, no. Thank gosh. Oh, yes. Okay, when we wake up, we'll be done. Oh, we survived with all 7 pups. I'm just astounded. 9.9, are you kidding me? Oh, we did it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We did it! Hi, Mabel! Oh my gosh, thank you so much for this amazing adventure with Willow. Because this is in such a short one, I'm going to combine the choosing the wolf. So, let's, I am going to go save game. Done. Let's go to main menu and we're going to choose the wolves. And we're going to see what they look like. I'm so excited to do this, honestly. Like, really excited. My wolves. Oh no, my wolves. Hello, Willow. Favorite you. And I'm gonna go to actually favorites. I don't wanna. Where is Willow gone? There you go. Willow, favorite. Show me favorites. So there we go. Family tree. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, this is so exciting. So Athena. She has -2 stamina but +2 speed. +1 strength, -2 stamina, 1 speed. Mabel. Oh yeah, she's gonna hate that so much. Oh no, sorry, that's Ivy. So she has -1 strength, -1 stamina, +2 speed but +1 health. Loki, 0, -1. So look, these pups have a lot of speeds. I see Ivy is going to be very angry if she's got any minuses. Ah, she's still 0. I mean, can't complain about that. Rocket, strength 1, health -1, and Achilles. Strength 2, stamina -2. Okay, strength 2. He's the strongest out of all the pups. Now, there's Rex and Athena. Right, so Athena. There's Wolf, no. No. There's wolf. No. No. Wolf. No. No. Loki. There's wolf. I just do that. I am pressing no for a reason. I don't want to create an iron wolf and I'm not going to play because I'm trying to get all of them. They all look pretty similar except Athena and Achilles. Achilles is just like... I think he's going to look like Willow, like his mum. Back to my wolves. Now. Oh my gosh. That's Achilles. Athena. Comet. Cosmo. Dixie. Oh wow. Ivy. Jet. Oh, Loki. Mabel. Miss Raven. Oh, look at Rocket. I think. Yeah, that's it. Okay, show any favourites. I favourited all of them. Oh my gosh. I was right. Achilles looks just like his mum. He has the same coat and he has like kind of the same tin. Except he doesn't have a scratch and he has a radio collar on. Whoa. Who's this? Athena! Oh my gosh. What colour coat do you have, my dear? Doesn't say. Whatever you have, it's very pretty and I love it. Is it classic coats? No. I don't know which one it is. It doesn't highlight it or anything. Oh wow, Athena. What else is there? Oh my gosh, look at Dixie. Oh wow, these are such beautiful wolves. Look at, oh, she's got a little scratch on her nose. I don't think you can see, like her mum. Oh, wow, who is this? Oh, Ivy. Oh wow, she is so pretty. Modify. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that girl. Again, it doesn't say what coat. Who's this? Loki looks just like Ivy. Who's this? And Mabel. I was not expecting Mabel to look like that. And then we also have Rocket. Like, is anyone expecting Rocket to look like this? Misha. Mabel is very pretty. She has the original coat. She's still very, very pretty. You can't change the coat. It's kind of funny. Body size. I like to look at the body size. Oh, she's pretty big. She's a pretty big wolf, actually. And then who else have we got? We've got Rocket. I can't believe Rocket looks like that. I really can't decide. So, who should I choose? Oh, who should I choose? Who should I choose? Oh, I think I'm going to pick. It's either going to be between Mabel or Rocket. Mabel, Rocket, Mabel. I'm going to go with Rocket. Yeah, let's do Rocket. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're going to do the new hair to the wolf pack. Bye, I'll see you soon.